Welcome to day 21. Congratulations on completing the Chopra Center 21-day meditation challenge, Creating Abundance. It has been our gift to share these rich meditation experiences with you. Throughout our time together, you have acquired the daily tools to help manifest abundance in your life. You have grown in confidence that abundance is assured, certain in the knowledge that it is your birthright. Experiencing abundance all around you, you know that you co-create with your higher self and can truly express yourself as an abundant being. One who can enhance the lives of others and effect positive change in the world. Today, I will guide you through a visualization meditation where we will plant the seeds of this abundance consciousness to grow more love, happiness, prosperity, anything you wish, blissfully aware that abundance will flow easily and effortlessly into your life. Let's begin. Sit comfortably and softly close your eyes. Inhaling and exhaling gently, letting go of all thoughts. Allow your mind to take you to a beautiful meadow, so peaceful and inviting that you want to sit among its verdant grasses and enjoy its splendor. The meadow's soil feels soft and rich as you move it through your fingers, embracing your connection with the earth. With you is a small packet of seeds of all varieties. Seeds of gratitude, appreciation, love, peace, material wealth, interconnectedness, harmony, health, well-being, and bliss. You open the packet, pouring the seeds into your hand and sprinkling them into the fertile soil. You trust that once you've planted your seeds, the sun and rain will nurture them and they will grow into strong and vibrant plants. As you revel in the meadow's exquisite fragrances before taking your leave, silently repeat these words after me, feeling them resonate within your heart center. I am unlimited abundance. I am blissful happiness. I am exquisite well-being. I am unconditional love. I am complete harmony. I am inner peace. Now, take a slow deep breath through your nostrils while silently repeating the sound, so. Then slowly exhale through your nostrils, silently repeating the sound, hum. Continue to allow your breath to flow easily repeating so on the inhale and hum on the exhale. Should your attention drift to thoughts, sounds in your environment, or sensations in your body, gently return your attention back to repeating the mantra so hum. So hum. Please continue with your meditation. I'll mind the time, and at the end you'll hear me ring a soft bell to indicate it's time to release the mantra. So hum. So hum. Now silently in the mind. Please release the mantra and bring your awareness back into your body. Take a moment to rest, inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. You have planted the seeds of abundance into the womb of creation, where they will surely blossom with effortless ease. Trust that at any time you can connect with this source, your true essence. As we end our time together in this challenge, I leave you with one final centering thought, which will serve as a wonderful reminder of all we have explored together. Every moment of every day, I live my life abundantly. Every moment of every day, I live my life abundantly. Every moment of every day, I live my life abundantly. Namaste.